In a typical suburban home, a father and his daughter were settling in for a productive homework session. Just as he confidently explained math, she raised her hand like a school teacher, saying, "Can we just call this creative math instead?" He chuckled, realizing he'd need to think outside the box to engage her. As the minutes went by, Legos became math tools and dinner became a competing distraction, sending him into fits of laughter while trying to keep things on track. In the end, after a productive yet chaotic evening, they both learned that sometimes the best learning happens outside the box.